Are we going?
Yep.
Hello, all you good people out there. I know it's been a while since I've been on a video of Darcy's, but I thought I'd give her a handout for a video because the van has been broken. The transmission went. Yeah, it's gone. So we've been without a vehicle or anything for like, a month and a half maybe? About that. At least a month to a month and a half. So we haven't been able to get to the food pantries and stuff. My grandson gave us a ride in this morning, so we got a video. Yay!
I know. I gave a shout out to Phil. Thank God for him.
Yes, I know. So anyways, that's our sob story. We still don't have a vehicle. I don't know how we're going to get another one, but we'll get it worked out somehow. I don't know.
We always do.
Right. Something will happen somewhere. Somebody will come along and say, I can sell you this one for something, and there we go. We'll have a vehicle again. But anyways, on with the food pantry haul. This is our one where you just drive up and they give you whatever you get. And so we have grapes. Darcy usually takes those. Ooh, they're good and firm too. She'll probably take those.
Yep, we like those.
We have a broccoli and cauliflower mix. I like those.
I have a broccoli mix.
I love those.
Broccoli, just broccoli.
We have a spring farm mix. I can't eat those, but somebody will.
Amanda.
We have nectarines. The nectarines have been really, really good.
They look good. They feel good.
I canned up about 20 jars of nectarines from they had extra cases of nectarines and I took one and I canned up about 20 quarts of those. So, and they've been really good. And I have some croissants. I'm not a fan of those too much. Some peanut butter. Green beans. Refried beans. Whole kernel corn. And then we have some baby red and green leaf up there. 4 corn on the cobs. Those look really good. Some oat rings. They're okay. They're okay for an off-brand. They're all right.
I shove them in things.
Yeah. We have some mermaid cookies. These are not my favorite. I've never cared for these kind of cookies.
Emma and Phil haven't had carved cookies in a while.
I know. That's what I thought too. They'll probably take those on a drive. I have some pretty good looking pineapple.
It does look good.
Yeah, we'll see. 2 green peppers. They actually look really nice. Usually they always have spots on them somewhere, but these look really good. I have an orange, a lime, a lemon, 2 apples, some tomatoes. Darcy's going to take those because I can't eat anything raw. So
We're going to make
those.
a sauce.
She'll make a sauce.
They'll go with my 2 that I got over there and make a good amount.
Right. Oh, we have flour up there. That's always a blessing. Love baking stuff.
And we're going into baking season.
We are. A tomato sauce, a small one, a Great Value big one, and a Great Value small tomato sauce. These always come in handy. We love getting those.
And I like the Great Value.
I do too. We have 2 small squash, 2 cucumbers, a big one and a small one. Oh, there's my limes. I thought I had some. 2 limes. And then up there we have, what is that bread, Darce?
I don't know. Sun-dried tomato and cheese. That sounds pretty good.
We've got that. We've got a small seeded loaf, a regular loaf of bread, and a couple biscuits. And this long one.
Take it?
Yep, that. And in the meat section, they did pretty good with meat today. Sometimes you only get one thing of meat, if any. So we got an Angus top sirloin steak.
Make a great beef stew.
Yep. We got some pork. That will also make a great beef stew.
Yep.
Mock beef stew. I use those a lot for that. Chicken thighs. Some hot dogs. We'll probably just see if Darcy wants to take those home because her kids...
Greg will probably eat those yucky things.
Yeah.
I'm very picky about my hot dogs.
Mine have
those
to
are
be
not
Oscar
ones I'll
Mayer.
eat. I know they're ballpark. I get it.
No, these aren't.
Oh, Kayam. Still, Kayam's good too, but I won't eat them.
No.
And Greg loves the beef ones. He'll eat those. He'll love those.
I eat Oscar Mayer wieners. That's it. If I eat a hot dog.
I eat Jordan's red snappers.
Yeah.
And cheese stuffed Oscar Mayers. That's about all I like.
We got a big thing of ribs. Pork loin back ribs.
Extra meaty.
Oh. I might try those. I've had ribs that are really, really, really good.
They're extra meaty. They might be good.
I don't very often even do ribs, so. I'll have to look
they're
up a
too
recipe on.
fatty.
I'll have to look up a recipe on YouTube. And then we got some Oreos. What are those?
Those are the Selena Gomez Oreos. They're pretty good.
Oh, are they?
But they're not as good as the Post Malone's. But the Selena Gomez ones are good. They're like horchata type flavored.
The hell what?
Horchata.
What's
It's
that?
mostly cinnamon.
Double stuffed Oreos. So we got a little pile of those. Alright, I might eat some of those. And I'll probably try those. Because I don't know what Darcy said they was, but there's something.
Horchata flavor.
Yeah, that.
Inspired.
That.
Meaning they mostly have cinnamon and sweetened condensed milk flavor.
Oh.
They're really good.
So that's the food
I
pantry
like
haul.
sweetened condensed milk. I love sweetened condensed milk. I could eat it.
That's our food pantry haul for this week. I don't know when you'll get another one. We don't know. Phil's going to work a lot next week. He just happened to have today off. But we'll see. Lord only knows what next week will bring. Anyways, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day. Like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you again soon.